Oh, it's Mick Custom Cruises, okay. We've got a brake here, P&M Performance Machine. He says, Performance Machine, okay, P&M. Now, this is a tool for getting the brake pads, the pistons out. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to put this in here, as you can see. Okay, what you do is you're going to tighten that up. And this thing is going to expand, I'll show you in a minute. Then you can hopefully, these are really shitty because some dick has put fucking .4 and also .5 in, which gives you that horrendous shitty stuff in here. So basically there's your piston out. You're going to undo this. You need to actually give it a whack. Yeah, you can see this thing here is very clever. Okay, so what happens, this base is going to go in here and expand it. Okay, it's fucking awkward to do this with one hand. You can see this is going to tighten this up and expand that. That's going to grip the piston to basically get one that fits, i.e. Now, the other one, I've got all them out. This one is a real bastard. This thing don't want to come out. Put the thing in there, that's as close as we've got. That is 28, 29 won't go in, 27 won't go in, that's too loose. So basically, we're going to put this on here. Okay, we're going to slide the jobber on, screw that on. Okay, we're going to put this in here, then we're going to tighten this up like we did on the other one. Now this one is absolute bastard. This was really fucking solid. Okay, well that doesn't seem too bad, that seems to have locked in. Okay, now, oh yeah, wow, can you see here? That's coming out with all this shitty fluid. Okay, then we're going to undo this. Cracking bit of kit. We're getting motorbike pistons out. Okay, and there you go. So now we've got all the pistons laid out. Okay, you can see all the pistons laid out here. Going to clean all this lot up with brake cleaner, and obviously the master cylinder will be fucked as well because some morons used totally the wrong fucking fluid. Now you can use to put them back in, but in all honesty it should just push back in. You shouldn't need any of this shit. Okay, but cracking bit of kit. You can see here, if I just spin this round, okay, here's the tool, all your different sizes. Okay, right, this goes from 30 right down to 10. Okay, so you've got a 10 here. Here's the slide hammer as well, so if something's really stuck in, I thought I might have to with that last one. But if you want to rebuild calipers and stuff, make sure you get the right stuff. I mean, here, for instance, a proper P&M rebuild kit. We've got new pins, you know, shims, pretty well anything you need, new spring clip. Here's the old stuff. Keep all the old stuff just in case you need it. The pads are still good, as you can see. O-rings. But that's basically all you need to rebuild these brakes, but you must make sure all this is immaculate inside. This is all cleaned up, you know, obviously it's shit. You can use Scotch Brite, it's very good. It's not corrosive, it's like a hand scour, but it doesn't actually attack aluminium. Then, if you've got an old bike, you need this. This is .5. Okay, if you've got an old bike, you don't want .4. .5 is a silicone fluid, which is what some morons done in here. They've mixed the two together and left this gungy shitty mess. So if you've got a Harley and some twat services your bike, but your brakes are fucked pretty quick, that's why they've used the wrong fluid. A lot of people don't actually know it's .5, not .4. Okay? If you're interested, P&M calipers, brakes, you can see rebuild Mikuni carbs, S&S, whatever, pretty well anything, you know, forks, give us a bell, 01773835666. CustomCruises.com. You can see all these brakes and stuff much better if you go on CustomCruises.com. Okay, and on the left-hand side, you'll see the word Zodiac. Z-O-D-I-A-C. Click on that and you will see a whole new menu system come up. Basically, Zodiac's website has been added to ours, so you can see all the seals, all the bits you need, all the pads of fluid, you know, engines, S&S, everything. Okay? Ride safe 25. Thanks.